Inventory in Annapolis remains below historic numbers, while homes are going under contract in as few as 18 days. It's Friday, March 22nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. If you've been thinking about selling your Annapolis home, now is a good time. Inventory is still low, though rising, so fewer homes means less competition for you. Many well-priced homes in good condition are receiving multiple offers and selling at or over list price. Right now, homes available for sale in Annapolis rose slightly to 102 this past week. 16 homes are coming soon, a slight drop. 25 homes hit the market over the past week, rising this week. 17 went under contract, falling off from a prior report. 18 moved to pending, double from last week. 23 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 18 days. Shorter time to contract than recent past. The highest priced home to sell was in Bay Ridge for $1,675,000. Rentals in Annapolis dropped to 35, leasing for $3,250 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 22nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.